Morning, 18th of April 2023, folks. That is the Shell Plaza pula itu bangunan baru. And previously I made a video about this back street down below. Yeah, it reached the attention of the city council. Send their crew to do the patching of the moon-like craters here. Yes, nice job, but your quality never meet the Western standard. Even though it's a patching job, you don't need relaying to do it. Even patching job can still be as smooth as the original road if you know how to do it. The other thing again is, why is the hell is this puddle here? That shows you guys don't know how to build roads. Why must there be a puddle there? Meaning there is no drain hole to the underground drain. Your drain hole is missing. Okay? And even though it's a patching job, there's no reason why that cannot be smooth. And there is still some holes in there which will form into a bigger pothole in future. That one. So simply don't know how to do a proper good quality road. And that really make this town a slum town. And for the owner of this building, just look at how good your workmanship is. So where's the water coming from? Leaking pipe or from the toilet or from where? And it looks like, my God, whoever owns this building simply don't know how to maintain the building. And let's look at here. Slum house, slum standard, slum city. Yeah. My God. Sewage coming out from the building. Real sewage. Okay, this is the back lane down below the Shell Plaza, guys. And even the owner of the tap, the plumbing here. No wonder you don't have enough water. Always saying sabat tiada air. Well, that's one of them. You know how much water is lost from that dripping? Somebody go and measure it and see how many liters per hour you're going to be getting from that lake. Poor quality plumbing made in China. So proud of China. This is the plumbing quality in this country. But this one is definitely black water from sewage. So Dbkk, you still have to get your enforcement official to take more action and fine the building owner for not maintaining this property. But as before, learn how to build roads, please. You still have puddles on the road on a hot, dry day. It's unbelievable.